Hi guys, it's Weeda, and I'm here just to show you a few ways that I use washi tape. I love washi tape very much, probably a little too much. So I decided I needed to start, I use it on greeting cards, and I decided I needed to start doing more with it because I have so much. So I started decorating my bullet journal with it. I wish I had time to paint lovely scenes and draw, but honestly, sometimes I'm doing good just to get it set up, much less decorated. So I turned to washi tape to try and make it just a little bit brighter, a little bit more fun. So I use different layouts, different washi tape, you know, whatever. I actually set up this bullet journal and then added the washi tape, and I wish I had thought about, putting the washi tape in it before I set it up, and I might have made it a little bit more washi tape friendly when I laid it out. But my journal is one way. My recent most favorite way to use washi tape is on note cards, and these are 4x6, and I use note cards all the time to help me establish a routine, to remind me on Mondays I do this, Tuesdays I do that, or that sort of thing, especially for work. So it's nice to have pretty note cards that I've decorated, and I layer it up when I can and have nice little note cards that are decorated to write on. So this it makes it a little bit more pleasant, and this is just sort of a brainless, great TV watching activity. You can sit there and watch TV while you are working on these note cards, and again, I thoroughly enjoy doing this. So I have some spares because I got carried away. I had so much fun, and it does help if you have some washi tape of different sizes. I think I've got, 3 different sizes on this particular one, and layered it up. But love, love, love that. Bookmarks, of course. I tend to recycle books, the hardbound books. We read them and then we pass them along. When I pass them along, I like to throw a bookmark in. Sadly, these don't have tassels because I needed them, and I started using them just temporarily to mark some pages in some textbooks. So I will get tassels on these. But yeah, just for bookmarks, to throw in a book when I'm passing it along. It's not really a gift so much as it is we're just sharing stuff. And these are not washi tape. This is scratch board that I make tags, gift tags, with the washi tape. So I just put it on the paper and chip it out. And this is a good supply of little gift tags that I don't have to worry about coming up with. So here's the fun ones are when you get to layer. Like the purple is nice and layered. That orange was kind of fun to do. The black, not as fun to do, but I really like this one. So I made a couple of them. But yeah, so I just sit there and make a bunch of gift tags, and again, that's just a quiet, calming, sort of relaxing thing. And then I have my gift tags for forever. This one is just an old one, but I use them all the time, and just making little tags on paper clips. That way I can clip several things in my textbooks and flip to them. They make good bookmarks, but for me, I don't like them as bookmarks because they stick out the end. I don't like that. I like to be able to slip the bookmark inside the book. I don't mind the tassels because those fold over, but these would annoy me as bookmarks. So, but I do use them a lot for markers. And then finally, I love making beautiful binder clips. I really, really love making these kind of gorgeous binder clips. with the washi tape. And so on the large ones, on all of them, I put it on all three sides, and they just, I enjoy using them. In fact, I'm having to go ahead and make this video before I had really planned to, simply because I keep coming in here and swiping the stuff to use. This is one of my favorite. It's just, it's not glittery, it's not shiny, but I love those roses for some reason. This is another one I've used. They're not calling it rose gold, they did call it copper before. So, and then you can do it on, I think this one is considered, I don't know what size, but then you've got that size, and then you've got that size. So it doesn't really matter what color. The finish on them is nothing but nail polish, clear nail lacquer. But those are some of the most common ways that I use washi tape. So if you've got some, there are so many ways to use it, truthfully, that I think some of them are a little contrived. And I guess I was actually watching some videos where they're like 21 ways to use washi tape, and a lot of them to me seemed really contrived. So this is how I really do use my washi tape. Okay guys, bye bye.